Hi guys! Today I have a beautiful and powerful product for you. YESPER Armor. Let's look at this. Dun, 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 dun. It is powerful and beautiful. You can see how aesthetically it's done. 20,000 milliamp hour with 3,000 ampere peak current, and it comes with PD 100 watts fast charging. You can charge it only 30 minutes. Comes with a jump start, of course. You can jump start it. It comes with a USB plug. Comes with a car charger. It supports 100 watts and DC output cigarette lighting. So now, without further ado, let's start this Tank 300 with 2.0 liters without battery. Only jump starter YESPER Armor. Let's go. So guys, if you can see, the battery is not connected to the car. We're going to connect the clamps plus to plus and minus to minus here and press boost button. It shows ready. Ready, and now we can start the car without battery. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Wow. So basically, without any battery, only with YESPER Armor, you can easily start your car. And perfect device. See you guys.